Say happy birthday, Papa. We hope you have a good birthday. I'm gonna get Papa some birthday smiles. Ooh. Yeah. Tell him all about it. Oh. Say, Papa, you really can't see out the window, but it sure is pretty. Well, that was a birthday poop for you, Papa. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so funny. Yeah, you proud of yourself? You're just proud of yourself, aren't you? Aren't you? Let's see if we can show Papa some leaves. You think we can? Think there's some leaves behind your head to show Papa? It's gonna be kind of hard to see. Oh. Yeah, I don't think he can see it. Sorry, Papa, probably making you dizzy. But it's pretty outside, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye for now, Papa. Oh, he's sending you more greetings. We'll talk with you later.